Oh, wrong way. Why can't I slide? Okay, I don't think this floor is broke in yet. Hey, beautiful family. Welcome back to your channel, your home, your happy place, your penthouse halfway in the sky. Beautiful family, I'm so glad to see you. 2 days, no video. Let me tell y'all, there is a reason. And the reason is my body, the move, the everything just kind of caught up with me in the midst of me, settling in and just like, okay, take a breather, Sharon. Okay. Don't kill yourself trying to figure out your furniture concept and what exactly is it that you want, and just all of that just really started to, and I needed to take a breather. So I don't know if you can tell, but honey, she's been tanned. Can you tell look at the melanin in my arm? Okay, don't look at this white part. This didn't get a tan, okay? This area here. But everything else is so tanned. I've been down at the pool, basking on my vacation. I packed a little bag, strawberries, cheese, grapes, just a little, just me, myself, and I. And I loved every moment of it, okay? And it was literally, in the last 2 days, it's been a back and forth. I will walk my neighborhood, literally get out and walk. Walk the neighborhood early in the mornings, in the evenings when the sun is kind of going down. Pool, patio, naps. Just get myself back. Self-care, that's all it is. Self-care, mental care, physical care, just care. And that's all I've been doing. And then, hopefully, I don't know if I put it in this video or not because I don't know, but I actually was going to record, or did record, a little clip while I was at the pool. And I recorded that clip, a clip of a bird that has since that video been frequently coming up onto the patio, okay? I recorded that. Anyway, I went to put the two videos together just to, hey, how you doing? Pop in. I'm at the pool. Everything is good, sis. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? I'm not ready. Hold up. Okay, why are you in here? Why are you in here, chicken, from yesterday? Why are you in here, chicken? So, let me just go ahead and soak this. It looks like that's going to be hard to come off. So I go onto my phone to just quickly send the video like I always do, only to discover that my app, that's right, you tell them, Bun, that the editing app that I use has upgraded significantly. It is a real editor now. Like the real people that be editing videos and doing the most is that kind of editor. And I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to do all that fancy stuff, man. Now uploading videos is not going to be just bam, like it used to be for me. It's going to take out, oh Lord, I don't know what I'm going to do. If you're watching this video right now, I tried to film it in a way that it doesn't require any editing, like beginnings, ends, all of that. Because I don't know how to do any of that stuff now. My heart was racing. I called my daughter in a panic. She went on the editor and she was like, yeah, Ma, it is a little bit difficult. But if you just sit down, Ma, and take the time, you can learn how to navigate the site. And when you get it, you got it. I don't freaking want to do that. I want the simple. They should have left it as an option You can use the upgraded version, but this simple version for you simple people are still available. Like, don't force us all to do something we're uncomfortable doing. So if y'all don't see videos for days at a time, it's because I'm in here. I'm gonna snatch the wig off, the lashes, everything is gone because I'm frustrated. I hate learning new stuff that I care not to learn. You know what I mean? Anywho, my daughter, one of my other daughters, I got so many. I got hundreds of daughters. But my middle daughter, you all know, I think she's on her way all the way from her city to my city. We gonna do something. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. Maybe I can go. Cause now, okay, so now I feel like this time of furniture not being readily available for me, because I'm a right now, give it to me right now type of person. The world has said it's not a right now situation, sis. You're going to have to wait like everybody else. You're going to have to learn to be patient. You want this couch, or you want that bed, or you want that TV stand, or you're going to have to order it or just wait in line for it to be delivered to the store and then the store ship it to you. It's a waiting game, right? Which kind of, on the flip side, might not be a bad thing. Okay, it might not be a bad thing because I'm having to wait. I'm now in a position or a place where I'm like, okay, I thought I liked this, but I actually like this or this. My decor style is changing. Literally, it is changing. Like, I'll give you an example, okay? I've said this before. You see these two mosaic pictures, right? Then I have one I haven't even hung it up in this bathroom right here, right? I have one in the bathroom back there. I did hang that one up. But those mosaic pictures, even this. Now, this one is not so bad. This one, and then, I have the one that's in my office space. That one, especially the ones that are from Pier 1, like this one. Let me show you this one. Which y'all all seen before. But because I haven't hung this one up yet. Right? Like this, right? The one in the room, and these right here that I painted. See, I did those. A lot of you have been asking me about those too. These were from, anyway, let me finish my one thought. So the mosaic stuff, right? This is as far as I'm going with the mirror and the glitter-ish wall decor. Okay, this is as far as I'm going with. And because this stuff wasn't cheap, right? $200, $100, it wasn't cheap. So I'm just gonna hang on to it until I'm seriously like, with it. But my style is changing beyond this type of stuff. And because I have it, I'm keeping it for now. But I want a more, so you have been asking, for those of you that are new, and I know you are, these pictures, let me see which one. They both are from, did the lighting change? Did it get dark? It probably is not focusing. But these paintings were originally from Home Goods, okay? And my OGs that remember me buying these, remember what was painted on them. It was like abstract, like an abstract, like painting, I just like the size of how big that thing is, okay? And all I did was I covered up the original painting with 2 color gray paints, okay? And then I literally just mixed gold, silver, and crushed glass on that Mod Podge. I always want to say hodgepodge. Mod Podge. Okay. I Mod Podge it on there. And then I get that slight glimmer of sparkle in abundance. Okay. I like this. These are my faves. I probably would never, ever, ever get rid of these. And I think the original canvas painting was like 100 and something a piece for those. You could totally DIY this from just like a frame, a canvas from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of the big ones. All it is literally just glitter, just piled up. But it gives me that little bit of sparkle that I'm loving now. And that's all I'm going with that. And like this contrast. Anywho, my style has changed. Okay. I'm still okay, you are so pretty right now. Cut it out.